Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome today. Yesterday in the newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday. Friday, July the 8th, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles, the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. Sudoku. 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, and one with 1 star, and 1 binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. I won't do them all, the 7 extra puzzles, only half of them I will solve, 4 puzzles, and also these 2 regular puzzles. What's the news of today? Well, I just heard that the former Prime Minister in Japan, Abe, just killed. Yeah, someone shot him. And also, this man, Boris Johnson has also, is not anymore Prime Minister. He's retreat of his party. Yeah, the Conservatives, I believe. Yes. Well, a lot of politics, news of politics. Let me continue with the Sudoku. Yes, Sudoku Light. Alright. Let me have some room for this Sudoku Light. This Sudoku Light will be number 4818. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 36. Wow, 36. We have 9 big squares, with each big square 4 printed digits, so 36 printed digits. 9 times 4 is 36. Should be easier than the 1 star puzzle in additional. For 1 star puzzle, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so the last column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 1. Alright. How about the 2 then? 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes here. 2 in this row, so no 2 there. The only place left for 2 in this big square should be here. Alright. Then I think I cannot continue with the 2. Not true. 2 in this column. So we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 2 in that row. So the row between, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in this column, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. Let me try with the 3 then. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. How about the 4 then? 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. How about the 5 then? 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. How about the 6 then? 6, 6, 6. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 5, number 6. How about the 7 then? The 7. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. Sorry, 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 7. How about 8 then? The 8 in the first row, the 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 7, number 8. Well, 1 number left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, very quick to solve. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzle, the heavy Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.